take a look at a residential heating application that is surprisingly common and something that can happen at any time of year. This is a 10-story concrete high-rise tower. It's heated by a hydronic boiler that's located in the basement that distributes the hot water to the radiators located throughout the building. The water line that services this building is located in the ground that's being repaired below me. It broke, water flooded into the mechanical room, it overwhelmed the floor drain, and it submerged the boilers. And when that happens, they're toast. They cannot be reused. So for a time, this building was without water, they were without heat, and that's where we came in. All infrastructure ages, and no matter how good your preventative maintenance programs are, sooner or later something's going to break. In this case, it was the water line that let the building down. Once they lost their boilers, they were able to get their domestic hot water, that's water for cooking and for bathing, they got those going fairly quickly, but the boiler that is needed to heat this building, it takes a lot longer to source and a lot longer to install. So we were tasked with bringing in our temporary boiler and providing heat for this entire building. We were able to get all of our equipment on site and operational in a single day. That's the tie-in to the building, the natural gas hookup, and the electrical installation. Once we got those in place, we ran the hoses from our boiler back into the building and fired this baby up.
For this job, we brought in our 1.2 million BTU boiler that can heat up this entire building. This machine is set up to run on natural gas, but can also be converted to run on propane. We've set this machine up to deliver constant water flow at 170 degrees Fahrenheit, return water temperature at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. We also see water pressure inside the system at 27 psi and a gas pressure at 1 inch of water column. That means that our boiler is running perfectly and that building is getting heated. So the temperature of water that's coming out of this boiler is 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's really hot. So let's go downstairs and I'll show you how it ties into the building system. We're standing inside the mechanical room where the water mains broke, and water came in through this hole and flooded everywhere. The water was up to here and knocked everything out. Our first point of contact is our brazed plate heat exchanger that takes the heated water from our boiler and exchanges heat energy with the building's heating loop. And then it ties into the building's setup and allows our heated water to be pushed into the building's system. Something else we've added on this job is this external pump. It helps us provide an extra push for heated water into the building's system.
Once we got our unit operational, we tidied up the site. We added the security fencing and the screen. We worked together with the mechanical contractor and the building management to make sure that we were providing everything that they were looking for, and then we turned the job over to them. Okay, is that good? Is that a keeper? Excellent, because I'm done.